Hello. Welcome to the Twisted Beanstalk. So, should I just mention how adorable this baby is? This is the Yannick by Natalie Bleak. Anyway, so she's a toddler size. This is more of a biracial baby that as soon as I saw this kit, I literally immediately ordered it. I am shipping her off. She did sell off Etsy. And I'm gonna get her dressed. And then I'm gonna wrap up her stuff so then you can look at her, and then I'll wrap her up and put her in the box. So she's just, huh? Don't you know? Oh, I need milk. Hey, there's, okay. So I don't really have a lot of tissue. I have a lot of white tissue paper, but not fancy stuff. So then I was like, well, I guess I'll use this wrapping paper. Generally, I don't use wrapping paper because I don't like cutting it or wrapping anything. Like all the Christmas wrapping and all that is like, no. I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh wait, let me get her dressed so she can be appropriate. There she is. Hi. Those eyes. And she's got little tiny vampire teeth. Super adorable. Oh my gosh, I love this kit so much. She's got painted hair. Big blue eyes. Cute, cute, cute. Put that back on your head there. Okay. And she's not really, really heavy. She's probably about 7. I think that the dogs need outside. Look at them both staring. You need to go outside? Go outside? One of you children get up and go let them out.
Maverick, why don't you do anything?
Wow. Look at her little feetsies. They're so cute. Okay. I'm gonna keep her in this blue because she looks adorable in blue. Doesn't she? Oh, she's so happy. He's such a happy baby. And we love happy babies. Yeah, until they grow up and they won't let the dogs outside. Then it's time to say,
Goodbye.
wow, Phoenix.
Okay, no.
So let's see here. I am gonna put her in. So she was wearing this little outfit, which is super cute. Even though it's just silver, I don't know, it's sparkly and cute, and she does look good in blue and gray. Okay, I don't know why this is so difficult for me to do. I'm gonna put some cute little furry socks on this little one to cover up her pretty little feetsies. There we go. Also have a little bit of purple ribbon. There we go. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. Okay, so now I am just going to sorry, I'm just dying. It's okay. Oh, so I have this really cute rainbow headband for her. And I also have this really cute little shirt. It says rainbow is my favorite color. She was in this outfit. So I'm gonna send, excuse me, this shirt with this little headband and with these leg warmers. Like I said, she was wearing these, so put those together. I'm gonna send her this little outfit. She looks super cute in blue. And also with all different designs from the Honest Company. Hopefully this, oh man, clothes is much easier. I'm gonna send her some cute little butterfly pants. I'm just gonna put the diapers in there separately. Okay, so I am gonna send her with a Twisted Beanstalk onesie, which I just got my new shipment in, so I'm gonna be making some more of those to go with the Beanstalk buds over the holidays. Whoop whoop, right? My year is gonna just fly by. I'm also gonna send her this really cute polka dot sleeper with little feetsies. Put that in with the onesie, and I'm also gonna send her with some really cute little star shorts. These are so cute. Take the price tag off though. Those in there. This really cute little romper. She looks super cute in this too, with the little sockies. And also with some cute bows. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put those on the certificate. So I'm gonna send this really cute little sloth blanket with rainbows, just as like a little lovey in here. This baby is going overseas, like so. And then I have her card, which I'm gonna put some bows on. In case you guys haven't noticed, I'm totally obsessed with hoodies. I've always loved hoodies, but then I'm also live in a place where it's super chilly all the time. So like you just can't go wrong having a whole bunch of hoodies, you know what I mean? I'm like the majority of the time I'm in a hoodie. Like even in my house where it's a little bit chilly, but then I get like hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. So anyways, yeah. So I have all these hoodies and I literally, there's like 3 more that I really wish that I could get, but yeah, I get them off eBay and you can literally get, oh, you guys, I freaking love these hoodies. That's all I can say. Okay, so anyways, let's wrap up this baby now for her big travel. I literally, my husband's like, you have too many hoodies. And it's like, you know what? There's people with like friggin' 1,000,000 purses. You don't even wear those. Right? But like in my wardrobe, it's basically onesies, onesies, hoodies, and leggings. That's pretty much it. I definitely feel like I could have more hoodies. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap her up in this blanket, and I'm also going to give her a blanket to hold. Just the twisted beanstalk. Gosh, I don't even know if she's gonna fit in this either.
Okay. I can just partially wrap her up, I guess. I'm gonna put her in a bag. Gonna put her in a bag, a plastic bag, don't worry. She'll be okay. You get used to it. The being shoved in a garbage bag.
Ooh, pretty. I normally have these bags that are much bigger, so then I don't actually have to stick them in a bag, which I don't know. I don't know why I'm so weird about the bags. Like what does it really matter if you think about it? It's both ways are going in a bag. The only difference is putting the baby on the inside and putting the baby on the outside, but it's basically the same thing. Why am I so weird, you guys? Is it because I stuff babies in bags? Well, sorry, but that's just how I roll. There we go. Boom. Baby in a bag. Okay, so I do have her box all set up here and all her stuff, so I'm just gonna rearrange her in the box. But other than that, there she blows. There she is, and I'm sorry for this disturbing. It's okay, calm down. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching my box closing, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.